एक्साइज स्कैम में राउज एवेन्यू के स्पेशल कोर्ट ने सारे मुजरिमों को बरी कर दिया है और ये बरी तब किया है जबकि सारे साक्ष्य, सारे एविडेंस, everything which they have to say, all statements have been seen, perused by the court, and after perusing everything, it is not a apprehension, it is not a suspicion, it is a court who has gone through everything, and after going through everything, every statement, every document, it has held that there is no charge which is made out against Mr. Kejriwal and the other accused person, which includes Mr. Manish Sisodia. So allegation CBI का ये था कि जो पॉलिसी बनाई गई उसमें मैनिपुलेशन किया गया, उसमें फर्जी दस्तावेज जोड़े गए. कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि जब एक्साइज पॉलिसी बनी उसके जितने भी एविडेंस, जितनी भी कोर्ट फाइल, जितने भी कैबिनेट नोट, जितने भी ऑफिशियल नोटिंग है, अगर आप उनको देखेंगे तो आप पाएंगे दैट द पॉलिसी हैज बीन पुट to every institution in the machinery, and it cannot be said that only one person has made this. In fact, the court has drawn a parallel where the court had said that the policy was also given to the office of Honorable LG. Honorable LG has also looked at it, and Honorable LG has also approved the policy. The court had said that if you are making Mr. Manish Sisodia or Mr. Kejriwal as an accused, why was not other person who were involved in the excise policy not made an accused? After that, the court had said that after seeing what has happened, how the policy was framed, it is actually seen that every institution, every stakeholder has been taken into confidence, and the file has gone to every stakeholder, and at no point of time there was any doubt which was framed at that contemporaneous point of time against the policy. कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि सीबीआई ने अपनी चार्जशीट के अंदर स्पेसिफिकली जो अक्यूज पर्सन्स थे आंध्र प्रदेश से या हमारे दक्षिण पार्ट के जो क्षेत्र हैं उससे, उनको एक टैग दे दिया गया साउथ ग्रुप. दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू द जज is against the international practices, it is against the rule of law. You cannot discriminate people on the basis of the region, and court has taken a very strong view, and in fact has also made few comments in the order saying that CBI has to ensure that in the future cases they cannot term or ostracize one region of the country like this. Court had said that what is the most important thing is rule of law, and the criminal process is not to illegally implicate somebody, and once you do it, it is even more grave in the case of people who are occupying constitutional posts, because those people have reached constitutional posts after the public has chosen them.